Hello beauties, welcome back to my channel. On my face I have already applied the ColourPop All-Star Primer, which is a really good primer. Here is the Too Faced Chocolate Gold palette. I'm using my small blending brush into my inner and outer corners of my crease, going back and forth with cocoa.
Sun is down, freezing cold. That's how we already know. When it's here, my dog will probably do it for Louis Bell. That's just all he know, he don't know nothing else. I tried to show him. Yeah. I tried to show him. Yeah. 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 Gone on you with the pick and roll. Younger flame, he in sicko mode.
Here is the ColourPop No Filter Concealer, and I'm going to be applying this underneath my eyes, and but before that I'm gonna go ahead and try to fix up my brows with this right quick. So I made the mistake of adding my crease, doing my crease before adding this, but it'll be fine.
Different color chains, see my jeweler really selling fruits. And they joking, man, know the crackers wish you was a news. Sunset. Surrender retreat, we all in too deep. Surrender retreat, we all in too deep. Don't play. This shit way too formal, y'all know I don't follow suit. Stacy Dash, most of these girls ain't got a clue. All of these hoes I made off records I produce. I might take all my exes and put them all in a group. Hit my essays, I need the booch. About to turn this function into Bonnaroo. Told her hop in, you coming too. In the 305, bitches treat me like I'm Uncle Luke.
So I'll be filling in my eyebrows with this black eyeshadow and this chocolate gold palette. I just apply it lightly because I just want to fill in any spaces or, any places that need to be filled in. I'll go ahead and fill that in. Just applying it lightly, going upward. And I try to apply it lightly as possible, the very inner corner of my eyebrow, and then just spread it on out to the end. That way I won't look like somebody's scary aunt.
She's in love with who I am. Back in high school, I used to bust it to the dance. Now I hit the FBO with duffels in my hands. I did half a Zan, 13 hours till I land. Had me out like a light, hey, like a light, hey, like a light. Hey, slept through the flight.
I'm using the ColourPop Perception palette by SHAYLA. I'm using this bright orange color in my crease. I'm going back in with Revenge to get that orange to show on my skin.
She's in love with who I am. Back in high school, I used to bust it to the dance. Now I hit the FBO with duffels in my hands.
I went in a second time with the more burnt orange color because I feel like that might show up a little bit better, and it did.
Juice, yeah, we back on the road, they jumping
I like to apply the concealer into my skin so it looks natural and not so cakey. I'm applying Titus to my outer corner.
Somebody tell me the answers. Me and you isn't the answer. Me and you isn't. Maybe I'm just that. What good would it be if I knew
Now
how
I'm
you
going back
felt
in with my small
about me?
blending brush into my crease, making sure I'm blending everything in.
Only think about you alone. Part of me that cares is gone, and I know that I can't get caught up. We could have been, and we try to pretend every now and again. We don't dream about, don't think about what we could have been.
I'm applying So Bougie on my brow bone.
In the end, you dream about, I think about what we could have been. We could have been. We could have. Remember the night in Miami. First time you put your arms around me. I'm up reminiscing. Thinking about you isn't helping. Thinking about you doesn't tell me what good it would do if I decide to face the truth.
Now I'm going to be using Unbothered onto my lid. I feel like this is a very shimmery, pretty color. It may not show on camera, but if you turn down the lights, it's really, really pretty on my skin.
Dream about, don't think about what we could have been. Oh, yeah, holding it in, 'cause I know in the end, you dream about, I think about what we could have been. We could have been. We could have been.
Now I'm going back in with Titus and applying some more into my outer corner. I'm going back in with Revenge.
What we could have been, what we should have been. If I wasn't with somebody, if we gotta hide it, what's the point of trying? I ain't just your friend, no, what's the point of lying? Trying to sell a story, ain't nobody buying. Look me in my eyes, don't that feel nice? Why should it end, baby?
I'm applying some more of the Unbothered on my lid.
Just say what and when, where to make a trip, baby, make a wish, be the one I'm with. Should've been a, should've, could've, would have been. Hey. Yeah, I would have been. Damn. Yeah, I would have been.
I'm going in with Revenge and Played Out, and I'm gonna apply that right underneath my eye, so right in my waterline, or whatever it's called. Just gonna apply that in there. So now that that's done, I'm gonna go ahead and pop on my foundation. I just applied Fenty. Now I'm using the Pro Filter Concealer by ColourPop, just highlighting and concealing underneath my eye, cleaning up any mess, any fallout.
jet with the rod. It's that Z shit, it's that Z shit. Pull up in a demon on guard. Looking like I still do fraud. Flying private jet with the rod. It's that Z shit, it's that Z shit.
Excuse my bags, y'all. I have 2 kids, so yeah, you'll see that a lot. I'm using this pro filter again to contour my face. So I'm just gonna go ahead and try to lighten the bridge of my nose up, and also on my chin and top of my lip, because everybody has a mustache up there, and also on the corners of my mouth.
Drive a coupe, you can stand it. Bridges undercover. I'm an ass and titty lover. Guess we all meant for each other. Now that all the dogs free, and we out in these streets. Can you do it? Can you pop it for me? Pull up in a demon on guard. Looking like I still do fraud. Flying private jet with the rod. It's that Z shit. It's that Z shit.
Now I'm using my Fenty Beauty contour stick in Espresso.
Self-made, I don't owe a nigga land favor. When you get that money, nigga, keep your heart. I'm sliding in a coupe, ain't got no key to start. I got to follow me in BET Award. When your well run dry, you know you need me for it. When I pull up in a Buick, you know what I'm doing. If the police get behind me, fleeing any lure. Sleeping on the pallet, turn me to a savage.
I'm contouring my nose, and I'm using the inner corner of my eye to guide my hand downward so that I can make a straight line. I contour the top of my forehead because I learned in one of Rihanna's tutorials that it actually hides the fact that you have a big forehead, and I do have a big forehead. I blend in my contour with an eyeshadow brush on my nose because I don't want my contour everywhere and I don't want it messed up. I like my stuff to look clean and not too like everywhere. So before blending out my contour, I noticed quickly that I look like Count Olaf from The Unfortunate Events, that movie. I think I'm saying it right. I'm pretty sure I'm saying it right. If I'm not, y'all can correct me, but I look like Count Olaf, y'all. Last but not least, I'm using my NYX mattifying setting spray, and it blends my makeup together so I won't look cakey, gives it that natural look.